cannot sleep. I have a mouth, but I can't scream loud enough to change the scenery inside of this machinery. A polygonal prison made of 1 and 0 digits, and I wonder if that's all I am, this form that I've been given, or my mind is in a coma and this nightmare will preserve it. Maybe this is all a test, maybe somehow I deserve it, and these thoughts that fly inside my head, I'm